In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create polls and quizzes on WordPress.com. Whether you're running a personal blog or managing a professional site, engaging your audience with interactive content is a great way to keep them coming back. So let's get started and make it easy for you to create dynamic polls and quizzes. First, we need to begin by accessing our WordPress site. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once there, you'll need to log into your account. If you've forgotten your login details, look for the option to reset your password or retrieve your username. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by your WordPress dashboard. Think of it as your control center for all things related to your website. Now direct your attention to the left-hand menu and locate the Plugins option. Plugins are essential, as they allow us to extend the functionality of WordPress without the need to code. Click on Plugins to open the Plugins page, and there, find the button that says Add New. Clicking this button takes us to a new screen where we can find and install plugins. In the search bar on this page, type Everest Forms. This is a user-friendly plugin perfect for creating polls and quizzes. Once you find it, click Install Now. If you have already installed it in the past, you'll see an Activate option instead. Click on it to ensure the plugin is up and running. After activating Everest Forms, navigate to the left menu once more and find Everest Forms listed there. Click on it, which will bring you to the Forms dashboard. Here you'll want to select all forms and then click on Add New to start creating a new form. Now you'll see several options, but we're focusing on creating a quiz or a poll, so click on Survey Forms to get started. Then select Get Started to begin customizing your form. This is the point where you can let your creativity shine. Use all the available tools to tailor the survey form to your needs. You can add various types of questions, adjust settings, and design it to match your website style. It's intuitive, and you can easily drag and drop elements into place. Once you're happy with your form, don't forget to save your progress. Simply click on the Save button to ensure all your hard work is not lost. And there you have it. You've successfully created a poll or quiz on your WordPress site. Remember, engaging content like this not only keeps your audience interested, but also provides valuable insights into their thoughts and preferences. Thanks for watching, and happy WordPress adventures!